Hi friends, today I am giving a lecture on Python program for converting Fahrenheit temperature into Celsius temperature. In the previous video, how to convert the Celsius temperature into Fahrenheit temperature, that we are discussed in the previous video. Now we go for how to convert the given Fahrenheit temperature into Celsius temperature. Okay. First, from the output, I have to write the program. Okay. So enter the Fahrenheit temperature. Fahrenheit temperature. That is 97.5. This is the Fahrenheit temperature. So the equivalent Celsius temperature is 37.5. How we are getting? That is nothing but we have to find out the Celsius temperature. So Celsius is equal to, this is the formula, Fahrenheit temperature minus 32 into 5 by 9. This is the formula we have to use for converting Fahrenheit temperature into Celsius temperature. What is the temperature we are given? So that is 97.5 minus 32 into 5 by 9. So here we are getting 37.5. So this is the answer. 37.5 is the answer. So this is the Fahrenheit temperature and this is the Celsius temperature. Okay. So according to this output, we are writing the program. First one is enter the Fahrenheit temperature. That means how we are taken the input from the keyboard. So Fahrenheit is equal to float of input of enter the Fahrenheit temperature. Enter the Fahrenheit temperature. So this statement is used for reading the Fahrenheit temperature from the keyboard that are entered by the user. For that one, we have to use input function. So this input function is used for reading the Fahrenheit temperature from the keyboard that are entered by the user. Whatever the value that are entered by the user, that value is converted into float value by using the float typecasting function. Once the float value is assigned to the variable on the left hand side, that is Fahrenheit. Okay. Now we have to find the equivalent Celsius temperature. So that is Celsius is equal to Fahrenheit minus 32 into 5 by 9. Okay. So by using this formula, we have to convert the given Fahrenheit temperature into Celsius temperature. Once we are calculating the expression on the right hand side, so then whatever the resultant value is there, that resultant value can be assigned to the variable on the left hand side. Now the result is stored in the variable Celsius. Now we have to print that variable. So print equivalent Celsius temperature is Celsius. Okay, so this is the Python program we have to use to convert the given Fahrenheit temperature into equivalent Celsius temperature. Okay, now we go for tracing. Okay, in the tracing, the first statement is enter the Fahrenheit temperature. What is the value we are given from the keyboard? That is 97.5. This 97.5, this value can be entered by the user from the keyboard. Okay, now the input function can read the value that are entered by the user and converted into string of 97.5. Okay, this string value can be taken by the float function. Then float of string of 97.5, it can be converted into 97.5. Okay, this 97.5 value can be assigned to the variable Fahrenheit. Okay, next statement. Now calculating the equivalent Celsius temperature is equal to Fahrenheit value is 97.5 minus 32 into 5 by 9. Okay, what is the resultant value we are getting? That is 37.5. So this is the equivalent Celsius temperature. Now we have to print that Celsius temperature value. So print equivalent Celsius temperature. Celsius. Okay, now whatever the value stored in Celsius, that value is printed. That value is 37.5. So this is centigrade temperature. Okay. So by using this formula, we have to use to convert the given Fahrenheit temperature into Celsius temperature. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share this video to your friends and classmates. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel name. So Divvela Srinivasa Rao. Thank you.